In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Slack sidebar with custom sections. If your Slack workspace feels crowded with too many channels and direct messages, this is a simple way to make everything easier to manage. Custom sections in Slack let you group conversations by project, priority, team, or any system that makes sense for your workflow. The result is a cleaner sidebar, less visual clutter, and faster access to the conversations you actually need. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or in your web browser. Then look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your channels and direct messages are listed. Focus on the area labeled channels or direct messages because that's where you'll begin creating your new section. Next, move your cursor over the channel's header until you see the three-dot options icon appear on the right side. Click that icon. If you prefer, you can also right-click a blank area inside the sidebar. From the menu that appears, choose Create New Section. This opens the tool Slack uses to build a custom group in your sidebar. A setup window will appear on your screen. Click into the section name field and type a title that clearly describes what will go in that section. For example, you might use something like active projects, daily huddles, or urgent alerts. Keep the name simple so it's easy to recognize at a glance. You can also click the emoji picker next to the name field and assign an emoji to the section. This gives you a quick visual cue and makes scanning your sidebar much faster. Once the name and emoji look right, click Create. Your new section will appear near the top of the sidebar. Now it's time to organize your conversations. Click and hold any public channel, private channel, or direct message from its current location. Then drag it upward and drop it directly under your new custom section. Repeat that process for each related conversation until the group is organized the way you want. This is especially useful if you want to separate urgent work from general communication. To make the sidebar even cleaner, right-click the custom section header and open section settings. In the show preference, switch the option from all conversations to unread conversations only. With that setting enabled, Slack will hide items in that section when there are no unread updates, which helps reduce sidebar noise automatically. Finally, click the small arrow or caret next to the section name to collapse the entire group. This hides all the conversations underneath until you need them again. It's a great way to reduce scrolling and keep your workspace tidy throughout the day. That is all. Thank you for watching, and you guys in the next one.